As winter approaches, it's time to protect your scooter with the Scooterworks USA Winterization Kit. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to keep your ride in peak condition during the cold months. Save 10% as compared with purchasing these items individually. Storing your scooter for a while? Sta-bil fuel stabilizer is an ounce of prevention worth a pound of cure. Over time, gasoline will degrade and that can cause all sorts of problems for your fuel system. If you're going to let your scooter sit for several weeks, 2 months, get ahead of the issue with a bottle of Sta-bil fuel stabilizer. Sta-bil recommends 1 ounce per 2.5 gallons of gas. Our Buddy 50 has a 1.3 gallon tank, so we're going to add about 2/3 of an ounce to a full tank of fuel. Check your owner's manual for your fuel capacity and fill accordingly. You can use the measurement marks on the side of the bottle for assistance. After you've added Sta-bil to your fuel tank, don't forget to let the scooter idle for 3 to 5 minutes, or take your scooter on a short ride. This will ensure that the stabilizer is evenly distributed throughout the entire fuel system. If your scooter is going to sit for several months, Scooterworks recommends that you also drain the carburetor bowl before storage. Nobody wants a dead battery when spring rolls around, and the NOCO Genius 1 will keep your battery charged all winter long, whether you've got a 6-volt or 12-volt system. Depending on your preference, you can either charge while the battery is still installed in the scooter or remove the battery and charge off-site. This charger will also detect sulfation and acid stratification, and it will restore lost performance for stronger engine starts and longer battery life. For the simplest charging setup, connect the NOCO alligator clamps directly to the battery terminals. Make sure to install the red clamp on the positive terminal and the black clamp on the negative. Be careful not to touch the metal alligator clips to the scooter's metal frame. Then, connect the power adapter to the alligator clips and plug into a wall outlet. For a more permanent solution, remove the ring terminals from the alligator clips and install them directly onto your battery. When you're ready to charge, quick connect the NOCO power adapter directly to the ring terminal plug. Please note this might require modification of your battery box to permanently house the ring terminal plug. Dirt, dust, rain, snow, not on our watch. Throw on one of our made-to-fit scooter covers, whether yours is in the back of the garage or out in the elements. These come in 4 sizes and each have a zip-out pouch for your windscreen or top case. Once you've got the cover fitted around the scooter, grab the elastic drawstrings from either end and connect the 2 clips. Now you can rest assured that your scooter will be protected all winter long.